All right, students. Once again, the slicing of strings. Since this is a very important aspect of string. That's why we have to practice it little more. So that is the thing. Slicing of string means to extract the substring from a string. All right. Now print b colon b2 colon 5. So what we have done out here, hello world. So 2 colon 5 means from 2 3 characters, because 5 minus 2 is 3 only. So hello world. So it has been quite rightly printed LLO. All right. Now let us see two basic printing out here. Now if I am giving the colon, then I have given out here say 5, then what will happen, you see. Okay, colon 5, what will happen, this is actually will print what, the strings up to 5, fine, starting from 0. The default position is 0 and the ending position is the length of the string. All right, so the hello has been printed. All right, and now say if I am printing like this, say print and I am giving out here like this b, and then 5, then colon, then what will happen, you see. Okay, then 5 colon, that means it will be printing 5 onwards including the space available. All right, so once space is available, then 5 onwards everything has been printed. All right, now the negative indexing I am going with print, I am going with b, then here it is colon, then minus 5. Now you see what is appearing out here, print minus 5, that means the end of the string will start from minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 in that way. All right, then what has come, it has coming up to minus 5. Okay, colon minus 5. So it will be, so what I'm having, so you see the end, the two things has given me the same output, that is colon and minus 5. So up to here it has been printed. All right, that is the thing. All right, now the thing is that print, suppose I'm giving out here b, and then minus 5, then I'm giving colon. Now next what is coming, let's see, then it is coming what, word. So more or less what is happening, the positive and negative indexing is giving the same thing. Okay, colon minus 5 means like up to here it has been printed, and colon 5 when you are giving, one is coming from the back and another is coming from the front. So that's why the identical output is appearing. Now suppose if I'm giving print and then here b and then 2 and then colon minus 5, let's see what the output comes. Okay, it is coming also the same output, LLO. All right, now say if I'm giving out here print b and then colon, sorry, here colon, sorry, 2 and then colon, then closing the bracket, and then sorry, some mistake, and then colon, and then it is coming LD. Okay, b minus 2 colon, that means what, if the rest of the characters has been truncated and minus 2 has given you LD. All right, now the thing is that print b, and I'm giving out here sorry, print and then b, and then here it is coming as minus 2 and colon, I'm giving out here minus 6. All right, no, minus 5 I'm giving out here. Let's see now what is happening. Okay, so minus 2 colon minus 5, so no output has been generated. Okay, so now the next, well, little bit we are just improvising this one. Now you see b, and then here it is colon minus 2 and then colon, here it is given 5. Now you see I'm showing you the different aspects. Okay, that is also not, no output is coming, because why the output is not coming, because string index is not supporting, that's why nothing has been generated. All right, so that's why we can see out here, say for one example, you can see out here b, then I'm giving out here 2 colon say 8, then next see what is coming. All right, you see out here, okay, LL, then LLOWO, that means from 2 it is going, okay, 0 1 2 LLO, then WO, that means 6 characters. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, quite rightly it has been printed. All right, similarly if you are doing print out here, so you have seen that how the validity has been checked into the slicing of strings. So print, I'm doing out here colon and then 7 6, then see what is happening out here. So that thing has been printed. All right, including Discussing one more program with a different type of string, different string slicing. This is the alphabet string has been taken. A B C D E F G H. All these things have been taken. All right. This is a string has been compared. Okay. So that is the thing. So now first let me save it. Once just save it into the working directory. String slicing. The name has been given. Always use the proper naming of the program, otherwise you may not find afterwards the content. So I'm saving this one. Okay, so now what is happening? So this is the output has been appeared. Okay, outputs have been appeared. So now one by one we can go with the output and see and we can analyze also at the same time. Now you see what is being given out here. FHJLL, that is given 6 is to 15 is to 2. Then what it is appearing out here, FHG, that means 0 1 2 3 4 5. Actually ABCE has been printed out here, so I'll just change it once. Just a minute. ABCDEFGH. Yes, now I'm executing once more. Okay, now I'll explain it to you. Okay, let me show you the output. Okay, now you see this is the output has been coming. It is coming as GIKMO. GIKMO. Why? 0 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6. This is the starting character, and it will skip by 2 steps because the step value has been given 2. So it actually indicates that the default value of skipping is only 1. All right, if you don't give 16 is to 15 is to colon is to 1, no matter. But if it is some other step, then you have to give the step value. So here it is keeping by 2 characters. Okay, so then I has come, then again 1 character, then K, then again 1 character, then M, then again 1 character, then O. In this way 2 characters, 2 steps have been skipped, and then characters have been printed. But the similar thing, so next string that I have given, I have not given any step value, and I have given just 6 is to 15. What it is coming? GHIJKLMNO. Okay, means like from 6 to 15, that means up to the 14th character it is coming. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, because P is the 15th character, I mean the 16th character, so it has come till 15th character, which is O, because it is working like range function. I had told you earlier also, so it will always stop in one less. Okay, next is coming the easier one. 1 is to 3. 1 is to 3 means only BC, from 1 to 3. 0 1 to 3, that means BC, one less. And then up to 3, what is the string value? ABC. The up to 3 has been printed, so ABC has been taken. Now the thing has been given bit different way. 3 colon means like from the 4th character onwards. Okay, so that is the thing, D to Z. Okay, ABC has been truncated, and from D to Z everything has been printed. Now say the colon 3 has been given before. Okay, up to 3 has been given, and say yes, and then say nothing has been given out here as a range. So a string just simply colon has been given. So what is the result? As a result, the entire string has been printed. Okay, from A to Z. Now the thing is that with the negative index -2 colon, -2 colon means what? The last means this is Z is -1, Y is -2. So those characters have been truncated, and from A to X everything has been printed. Means the rest of the string has been printed. Now the thing is that this is actually this is the last one, that is the colon, and -2 colon means only this last 2 characters has been printed, that is YZ. And this one I was explaining you, the last one, that is the second last one. So colon -2, what is happening? -2 means up to here everything will be printed, and -2 colon means what? The only the last 2 character, rest of the string from the beginning will not be printed. That is what YZ. So that is the differences you have seen how it is executing. And if you are giving the double colon 2, then in that case what will happen? Alternate characters will be printed. A, then B has not been printed. C, then D has not been printed. E, then F has not been printed. In this way it has come W, X, Y, that means X has been printed, and after my Z is appearing, but Z has not been printed. So this will happen only when you will be giving it in this way, double colon, then 2. So these are the some more examples from the string slicing. So you implement the practical and do it nicely. a space.